Let's go ahead and verify this guy. Sine of beta all over 1 minus cosine of beta equals 1 plus cosine of beta all over sine of beta. Yeah, this is not B right here. This is the Greek alphabet letter beta. 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 Okay, here we go. By the way, if you ever have like 2 dogs or something like that, you could be like, name one alpha, name one beta. Hey, alpha, beta, come over here. Alpha, beta. Okay. So, I don't know, maybe we'll just do the left side, but we could do the right side as well. Basically, you're going to do the same process. I would multiply the left side, top and bottom, by its conjugate. 1 plus cosine. So I would multiply top and bottom 1 plus cosine of beta. Or on this side, if I was going to do that, I would multiply this top and bottom by 1 minus cosine of beta. Okay, so either case, you're going to get the same verification. So I'm just going to do the left side and see if we get the right side over here. All right, so I'm going to multiply this by its conjugate, 1 plus cosine of beta. And right here, 1 plus cosine of beta. Sine beta times 1 is sine of beta, plus sine beta times cosine of beta is sine beta cosine beta. It's kind of a funny name, beta. Sorry guys, I'm just on this alpha beta thing right now. And then the denominator again is a difference of squares. So AB. So I'm just going to do 1 minus cosine squared of beta, if you realize that. Once again, we can replace the denominator with sine squared beta. All right, so sine of beta plus sine of beta cosine of beta all over. Replace this with sine with sine squared beta. And that just comes from our Pythagorean identity. Now that we have a monomial down here, I could go ahead and split this up into 2 separate fractions then. So I'm going to say sine of beta all over sine of beta squared, or sine squared beta, plus sine beta cosine beta all over sine squared beta. All right, let's see. Sine of beta over sine squared of beta, that's just 1 over sine, right? So I'm going to do 1 over sine of beta plus, well, let's see here, one of these sines will cross out with this sign right here, so I'm going to get rid of that too. So now I have cosine over sine. Okay, and if I look over here, what am I trying to do? Cosine over sine. So I think I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to, knowing that I want cosine on top and sine on the bottom, I'm not going to do tangent or cotangent, even though cosine over sine is cotangent. But you just got to look at what we're trying to verify. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. So this is cosine of beta all over sine of beta. And you can write this all over 1, so this right here is 1 plus cosine of beta all over our common denominator of sine of beta. And I believe that's what we're trying to verify. And there it is. 1 plus cosine of beta over sine of beta is the same thing that we got down here.